So back to my name of my channel, Internally Damaged. I kind of like it. I think it's absolutely hilarious. If anybody that's watching this thinks that there is some type of negativity to that name, please feel free to drop it in the comments. And if you can, or think of something that would be better, I thought of a few things, Adventures of Inman and things like it. Just everybody's got adventures of this and that adventures, and I don't know. Internally Damaged kind of sums me up. I can't wait to start pranking people. I really can't. Because there's some excellent prank channels out there that have really gotten me through the last 5 years, with just making me laugh hysterically. Shami and Marty and Michael down in Australia, those guys are absolutely hysterical. Houston Jones here in the U.S. from, I believe he's out of Michigan. Great channel. Great channel. That guy he beats himself to a pulp, like weekly. And him and his crew, they're just hilarious. They're hysterical. They're jackass times 5. There's a couple out of Scotland, Martin and Bex. The things they do to each other, and it's just absolutely hilarious. And the negativity that they get for it is just blows my mind. Blows my mind. People just, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it. If you don't like a channel and you don't like what it's about, scroll past. You ain't got to troll. It's not. Somebody trolled on a Facebook comment that I made yesterday. A page from my home state of Rhode Island about American chop suey. Here they call it goulash. Now, whether goulash is made one way or another way, that's what they call it here. I didn't call it goulash. I'm from Rhode Island. We call it American chop suey there. You know, the ground beef. My mom used to do it with peppers and onions and elbow macaroni and pasta sauce. And when I was a kid, every time she would ask me what I wanted for dinner, that's always what I said. We can't have that again, Vincent. Miss you, Ma. Miss my grandma. I miss my family. They're all gone. I moved out here to be with this part of the family, and it's been nothing but a disappointment. Got robbed of a bunch of stuff from people, and trying to replace that stuff now. It's the cost of the stuff that's been robbed from me to replace it now is like twice of what I paid for the stuff 25 years ago. The cost of ammo has gone up through the roof, as any of my fellow shooters friends out there that know. It's just absolutely asinine. So having the name that I have of my channel, like I said, if you think it's a bad name or a negative name, just drop it in the comments nicely if you can. If you can't, I'm just going to give you a heart and thanks for watching. But if you could be nice about it and decent about it, then man, look, your channel's, I love your channel, but you need to come up with a better name. May I suggest this? And I will take all of them into consideration, if any at all. Once I get this all set up out here, I'm going to be coming out and doing more Blackstone cooking. Hopefully, as the winter progresses, probably sometime in February around my birthday, hopefully I'll have enough money to where I can purchase some a new backpack and things like that, so I can do a camping trip, me and Capone. There's so many places around here to camp. If the snow's too deep, which it usually is, the past couple of winters have been very mild in my area. I think I fired my snowblower up once last year, and that was only because I felt bad. I bought the thing and I hadn't used it since I bought it. The winter before, I think I fired it up twice. It's an old school Toro, all steel construction. It does need new drive belts. I put a brand new carburetor on it last year. Thing fires up on one pull. The new ones that they're making now are half plastic and they're absolute junk. And, but yeah, just the funds have been, and that's why I'm doing this in 3 parts, because my phone isn't active, and without verifying my account through my phone, I'm not allowed to post anything over 15 minutes. So until I get my first paycheck and I can get my phone reactivated, get my bank account straightened out and set up a new one, I'm looking probably not until like the middle of next month. I've got some terrific friends here, some great neighbors. My neighbor next door, like I said, she brings me food and when she can, and she allows me to use her Wi-Fi. Next door to her is neighbors and friends that give me a ride whenever I need to around town. We've done some fishing, we've done some hunting together. His mom in the back here, I give her a shout out all the time for, if I'm lacking like some vegetables or something to complete a meal, she's always there. Great people. I got another friend of mine who is just there way too much. Almost embarrassingly too much. I owe him a lot. And I'm still not in the position to even repay him half in the next 10 years. He's driven me to every single doctor's appointment, and my doctor was not close. My doctor was 35 miles one way, 70-mile round trip. For my shoulders. My primary doctor is just here in town. I can walk there. It's like a 45-minute walk. but he's always here to give me a ride. Yeah, just all around great dude. Go to his son's place quite often when I can afford ammo to do our target shooting and sighting in and everything. And like I said, my deer season is just not going to happen this year unless a miracle pops up. And my cousins, I have 2 cousins that really help me out tremendously. One of which is Brandy P. I'm going to put a link in the description to her channel. If you love watching chickens and dogs and cats playing, she's awesome chicken zen. Just sitting there watching the chickens. Like, even you go to her house and it's kind of neat just to hear them chuckling and cackling and cock-a-doodle-dooing. And then her dogs are great. She just got a kitten. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for her channel. Check it out. Subscribe if you enjoy that kind of stuff. And I have another cousin. I'm not going to mention her name, but when I have a phone and I can get in touch with her, she's always willing to help out with the animals. If I need food or cat litter, anything, she's right there for me with that. I haven't been able to speak to her in like, 3 months now. Last time I talked to her was July. So, yeah, shout out to all these people who have the YouTube channels, Demolition Ranch. Just, there's so many to name. Lone Wolf 902, another inspirational camping channel. If you don't have, if you never heard of him, check him out. He's out of Nova Scotia, Canada. Just a great channel, family channel. A lot of overland camping with his truck and backpack camping. He's the one that turned me on to hot tenting, which I need a 1-person hot tent and a backpack and a quality sleeping bag, and I can get out and start doing that type of stuff all year round. Here comes Sweet Pea. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Hi, Sweet Pea. Hi, Sweet Pea. Hi. There's Sweet Pea. She's going in there to get something to eat. She's in the house all night. And then she claws her way on out the door when it's morning time. She was a stray. But not anymore. Part of the family now, except for Smokey. He does not like her. So, with that all said, I'm going to end this 3-part series now. And I hope to catch up with you guys soon again and post another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe if you haven't already. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, and cheers. Peace, love, and respect.